Dude, I gotta piss, and I think I'm gonna piss my pants.
Dude, we're just go pee behind a tree.
Yeah, bro, we're in the woods.
Behind a tree? Like an animal?
Dude, what the fuck do you even mean by that?
Yeah, dude, you sound fucking crazy.
Like an animal, because animals are what piss on trees. I'm not gonna piss on a tree out here. We have toilets. That's what separates us from them. I'm a civilized human being.
It's only a couple more miles to the car. Can you hold it?
I can't wait, dude. I can't hold it. I gotta go now.
What the fuck? What's wrong with you?
Oh my god!
Jesus!
Ugh! What the fuck?
Jesus, man!
Dude, what
What's
the
wrong
fuck,
with you, man? Jeez!
Oh my god.
All right, boys, let's get back to it.